Today in this video I will unbox this thing. This is a product from the Raz.pk and I do not even know what is inside. My father told that I have ordered and we will unbox this thing. So let's we unbox this thing. I have cut it so we save from it. And I got a box in it, white box. Hope you can see it. And let me take out from this cardboard box. Take it out from the cardboard box. It is not opening, coming out right. So we will cut it down. So we will open it in this. So we will open it like this. It is not opening from here. I have done it almost 3 to 5 times. It's not opening. In this we have a pipe here. I think it is used for washing the car. So I will. It is not coming out from the box. So first we will have this here. I don't know why it is not coming. This is it with a plug, and this is the plug and this is the product. This is the product. We have got this adapter and we have pipe, and also we have this. I do not know what the things are. Cardboard and these wheels. This I do not know. And this is a gun for, I think this is a gun, and this is the I think we have shampoo or liquid in it. Stand, and we have also user manual, and I do not know in which language is it. And we have pin over here. So this was in our unbox video. These things for washing the cars, and it was really surprise for me. And meet you next video. Allah Hafiz.